Is it safe to run mixed 2-cycle gasoline in a 4-cycle engine like a lawnmower? Well, we're going to find out. I'm out of regular gas for this lawnmower, and I don't want to go to the gas station because it's like 10 minutes away and it's going to waste my time. I don't have time for that. So I'm wondering if you can run 25-to-1 mix 2-stroke oil. This is just generic Walmart Tech 2000 2-cycle oil, mixed 25-to-1 for a motorcycle that I have. And I'm going to try and run it in this old Craftsman lawnmower. This is an 18-year-old lawnmower. It's been used every year all summer, regular oil changes, and still runs fine. It's completely out of fuel. So we're going to run this 25-to-1 and see if it smokes, see what happens. I'll have a look at the plug before. This is before it's been run. It was run about a week ago with proper gas. It's one of those quick start, easy start plugs with the tiny little electrode. Looks okay, looks a little dark, a little oily, but the tip there looks okay, and it runs great. 100 pour.
I should have come for next time.
Yeah, save some for next time.
Yeah.
So that's probably about half full. Prime it. I don't know whoever wrote 3 times prime, if they ever tried to start the motor, but it's never started on 3 times with me, even when it was new. You gotta push it a whole bunch of times. So it seems to run the same. We'll cut the grass with it and then we'll check the plug. Okay, the grass is cut. This is cool again. That's interesting. The plug definitely is darker and it's a bit oily. You can see there. It's darker than before. But it still runs really good and pulls on, starts on one pull, and you wouldn't know that you're using anything different. But there is definitely an oily, a bit of a residue there on the plug. So I don't know that I would recommend running 2-stroke oil in a 4-stroke motor very often, but in a pinch, it seems to work. Maybe gave the rings some lubricity, and probably didn't do any harm. But over time that plug might foul up a little bit. Whoops. Try to hold a camera and do this and look at the screen. And thanks for watching.